Roblox players facing a Roblox server down issue when they tried to access the game. If you are also getting the "looks like something's not working right. Thanks for being patient while we look into it" message, then here is a solution for you. On search box and type CMD. You need to run as administrator. Type the following command: ipconfig flushdns. Press the Enter key. Now type netsh winsock reset in the command prompt. Hit the Enter key. Close the command prompt. Go to search box and type Control Panel. Select Network and Sharing Center. From the left, select Change Adapter Settings. Tap on Internet Protocol version 4 and go to Properties. Now you need to enter the preferred DNS address. 8.8.8.8 is the preferred DNS server. And 4.4.4.4 is the alternate DNS server. Do the same on your Wi-Fi connections. Now is the time to restart your computer. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.